Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for our fun musical activity for this week. I want to share with you about the quarter note and the paired eighth notes today. We're going to talk about that. We're going to write some music together. We're going to make one measure of music with quarter notes, and we're going to use paired eighth notes as well. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil, something to write with. So please go get that. You can pause my video. And now I want to share with you what I've written out already. Hopefully you can read this. I wrote it backwards so you could read it. And the first thing we always need to have is called the time signature. So here we have the 4, and we draw a line, and we write the number 4 again. So this is called the time signature. And I wrote it right here for you, the time signature. And you can copy this down. You can always pause the video. And now here we have the quarter note. And I wrote quarter note for you right here. See how it says quarter note? And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes. And here at the end we have the double bar line. And I will write that for you, the double bar line. Let me write it for you. D-O. And here I wrote double bar line. I hope you can see it. Here we go, double bar line. This is the double bar line. The thin line and the thick line make up the double bar line. I decided to draw 2 arrows so you would know that it's the thick line and the thin line. This is called the double bar line. See, it's called the double because there's 2 lines. Double means 2. So now we have, these are the parts of our measure. We have the time signature, and that's the 4/4. And let me draw another arrow for you so that there is no confusion. And we have quarter notes here. Quarter notes. I'm going to draw arrows to these quarter notes. We have our quarter notes here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have the double bar line here at the end, the thin line and then the thick line. And now you can count this by saying 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's say it together and let's clap if you can. 1, 2, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the quarter note is also called the ta. And you would say it ta, 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 and ta. So let me write that out for you. You would also say ta, 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 ta. So please write that down in your notebook or your piece of paper. And now let's say it together. Let's start with the ta. 1, 2. Here. I'm sorry. I have to start on this side. Here we go. And ta, 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 ta. Thank you for saying it with me. Can you clap, please, and say it? 1, 2. Here we go. And ta, 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 ta. Thank you so much. I think that's all I'm going to do. I will do the paired eighth notes in the next video. Thank you so much.